Cata Kor 250 mg NA+ supplement has been getting a lot of attention, so I decided to try it out and see if it actually lives up to the hype. After using it for a few weeks, I did notice some changes, but nothing too drastic. The energy boost people talk about was there to some extent, but it wasn't anything groundbreaking, more like a subtle push rather than a real surge. As for focus and cognitive clarity, I did feel slightly more alert, but I can't say for sure if it was just a placebo effect or if the supplement was actually working. One thing I noticed is that my sleep patterns remained the same, which is good because some supplements tend to interfere with that. However, when it comes to overall well-being, I can't say there was a huge transformation. The price is on the higher side, and while some might find it worth it, others may not see enough of a difference to justify the cost. The ingredients seem promising, but there's no way to tell if they're as effective as claimed without long-term studies. Some people online have had great experiences, while others didn't notice much change, so it really seems to depend on the individual. I didn't experience any negative side effects, which is a good sign, but at the same time I was hoping for more noticeable benefits. Overall, it's neither a miracle supplement nor a complete scam. It might work for some, but for others the effects could be minimal, making it hard to say if it's really worth the investment.